Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and it is Not Too Shabby Day today. I am coming to you today to share some projects with using the Critter Pops Stamp and Die of the Month. Here's the stamp. The stamp only has sold out, so you can order the stamp and die as a one-time purchase, or you can order it as a subscription, and that is the best way to go on any of the Not Too Shabby subscription products, because then that assures that you will receive the product every single month and you don't have to worry about it selling out. So I have used each one of the Critter Pops, and I used the stamp set Hello, Thanks for Popping By on all of them. And I used this paper pad that was an old leftover paper pad from Scrapping for Less. I had it in my stash. It's called Cool Treats. It was one of the ones that we did for our little paper pad club. And you could just buy it. Other people could buy it as well. But it was just an extra. It wasn't in one of our card kits. So it was just an extra. And I've never used it. So I thought this is the perfect time to use this. So sorry about that. That's not available anywhere any longer. But I needed to use some of this stuff that's in my stash. So I'm kind of showcasing that you can use any paper to when you order the stamp and die of the month. You can use any paper. So the first thing I've used is the challenge sketch for this month. It has and I designed all of these sketches for the challenges, and it's 4 by 5 1/4 is the background piece, and then you've got 3 2 by 2 squares, and then a sentiment strip right here. So that's what I used for the first one, and I used the little teddy bear one, and I colored him up orange and yellow to kind of go with the, and blue to kind of go with those popsicles in the background. And this is the back side of that paper, and I kind of turned them different ways so that you've got two going vertical and one going horizontal. And I said, hello, thank you for popping by. And I had a reason why I put the hello stamp set on there. I am sharing this for over on there's a stamp for that. I am sharing this over on that group. I'll leave that link down below. It's a challenge Facebook group, and it's run by my friend Danny. And so I'll share that. And then this one, I'll also leave this group link down below. This is, these sketches for the next two are by my friend Crystal Minkler, and she runs the Build Your Stash Holiday Cards, Build Your Stash of Holiday Cards Facebook group, and they have a sketch challenge every single month. This isn't the sketch challenge for this month. This is from previous months. I just love Crystal's sketches. She makes the greatest sketches. So I just keep them and use them frequently. So I used this sketch and created this card. I decided to put it on a craft card base, and I changed it up. Well, no, I didn't change this one up. So put my sentiment on, or my image on this circle, and put my sentiment up there on that circle. And this pink polka dot paper is the background, the back side of this paper. And I put my strip on the inside. So that's one. And the one thing that I forgot to do before I started making the video, I seem to always forget this. And I think that that just absolutely makes the card, is to add some enamel dots around. So I will be adding some enamel dots or sequins. I will be adding some of those around for that. Then this sketch, I thought that was kind of an intriguing sketch. And so I made this card, and I colored up, I don't know if you noticed, let me go back. I colored up each one of my popsicles, Critter Pops, to kind of match the background paper here. So like this one, I colored yellow, put some chocolate fudge on the top, and I colored the stripes on it pink, a couple shades of pink. On this one, I colored it light blue to match the background paper, and then I colored a pink stripe, a yellow stripe, and kind of a greener stripe, to a teal colored stripe to match the popsicles right there. And then I really liked this. I kind of stamped hello right there in an unexpected spot. Thank you for popping by. So those are my 3 cards using the various sketches. So I have critter number 1, the bunny, critter number 2, the unicorn, and critter number 3. Oh, I'm off camera. All right, sorry about that. And critter number 3, the little teddy bear. So 3 cards for my card donations, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and ring that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.